Happy birthday to you, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow. Oh, the world is lucky to have you. Don't you know you're kind, you're strong with a heart of gold. You brighten up lives to you we behold. Every step you take, catching everyone's eye. You're a beacon of love, let your spirit soar high. Your laughter is infectious, it fills the air with joy that's contagious. We all gladly share your presence, happiness overflows.
Nakukoda ka pero may Tito Jo. Boy, huwag ka dyan mamano ha. Nasaan si Apple pala?
Umuwi kasi yung traffic sa pier.
Hoy. Grabe kasi talaga yung traffic na yun eh.
Kanina nga